Hi guys, welcome to a new video. I'm just going to briefly show you how you connect one of these flange connectors or tank connectors to a pond liner. So as you can see there, I have a bog filter I'm building. Now I've installed one of these, so I'll just briefly show you how I've installed it and how you put it on. So essentially it comes in two parts with screws. So eventually you put your liner in between there, that goes on top of your bit of a liner, and then you screw in. Make sure you put a bit of silicone underneath, not on top, and then you screw it in by hand. Don't use a power drill because you could crack the plastic. So I'm just going to briefly show you how I put it on, and hopefully this video will be informative on you guys, because I don't think there's a lot of videos on YouTube on how to do these. So I'll just show you how you put it on, and hopefully this will be informative. Right, this is the filter box, as you guys have seen. So I've just got one of these flange connectors. It comes with a covering, and we've got some screws to go on top. And basically we'll put that on the inside, coming through like that. I'm going to form around the circumference of the hole we've cut, and then hopefully that'll keep it quite stable in there. And then we just need to form it in really, so we just form it in. As you can see, I've already installed it, and you can see the pipe work popping out there. If you're wondering what that stuff around the pipe is, that's just a bit of expanding foam, just to fill in the gap that I used with the hole saw. So if we have a look what we've got here, as I've already installed it, I want to talk you through how you do it, so it makes it easy for you guys to figure it out. So when you put your back plate on, that's the pipe work here, you make sure your holes are lined up like that. Makes it easy. And then what you do is you cut a hole, and then you put some silicone on underneath this top plate, a good bead of silicone round, and then you can put your top plate on and start screwing it in. And if you want to, you can put a bead of silicone going round there, just where the joint is, and just screw it in lightly all the way around, and you keep doing that until you got it really hand tight, but not too tight, because this is plastic, it could crack. So that's how you more or less put it on. Make sure you've got a bit of water with some washing up liquid, because that helps the silicone not stick to your hand when you're going around with your finger. And I'll just show you that underneath here, as you can see, we've got a bead of silicone there. Hopefully you can see that. There's a bead of silicone, just put some on my finger so you can see it. There you go. And it oozes out. You get about 1/4 of an inch oozing out. Actually well over an inch actually. And it'll ooze out all the way around. You want to make this watertight. So that's what we've done. And you just need to give that 24 hours to go off. And then it'll be nice and secure. And that's our tank connector set up. And essentially that's how you do it in a pond as well. So hopefully this is informative on how you install one of these 1.5 inch tank connectors. I think they're called flange connectors, whatever you want to call them. But that's more or less how you put it on.